Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the settings. Here in this left section, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the option software update. So as you can see, it is right here. You do not have to enter different sections to find it. So just tap on software update and then tap on download and install. And now your device will check for the updates. That's why we needed the internet connection. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added to the system. And then all you have to do is to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.